Hello children, this is a unit 1. This page is called the style sheet. STYLE style, SHEET. Style sheet. This unit name is family. What does family stand for? Actually, a group of people who are related to each other, such as a mother, a father, and their children. That is called family. Family is a basic unit of society. This first unit contains 3 readings: A reading, B reading, and C reading. A reading, the tattered blanket. You are now, it is going on reading it. B reading, my mother, poem, and C reading, letter to a friend. Now what you have to do? You have to draw this picture in your classwork. First, you start unit 1, right? And then write the family unit name here. And after this, A reading, B reading, C reading names. And after this, draw that picture in your class book. Start your class book with this style sheet. Draw this picture and you can paste this picture. Paste means some paste and some draw. This draw and this you can paste. You can cut and paste and some draw and some paste. That is called creativity. Do it. And if you're not able to do it, you can just write your unit name family and draw this oval shape figure and do it. Style sheet. And now next, this is called this page, that family. This page is called face sheet. FACE face, SHEET sheet. Face sheet. Now let's see this. Look at the picture and answer questions that follow. What are question? 2 questions are there. What do you observe in the picture? Now what do you observe in the picture? There are two families in the picture. 2 families in the pictures. Now this first picture shows a nuclear family. Nuclear family means there are parents and their children. That is called nuclear family. Now this picture shows a joint family. There are grandparents, parents, aunties and uncles and their children. That only you can see these 2 pictures. Okay, first answer. First question over. Second one, what type of family do you find in our present society? In the present society, everybody would prefer to live in nuclear families. Why? Because relationships are not being given all that importance in present society. Now, after style sheet, you draw in second page. Not left page, right page, this page. You draw it nuclear family and joint family picture and write these 2 question answer. If you're not able to draw this figure, you just cut any picture from any old book and separate you can cut and paste this jointly and their 2 children. It is not compulsory to you join same picture, paste same picture. You can paste any picture from there. Just make one box and paste separate picture also can paste near paste, and then you can make the nuclear family and joint family figures. both draw. If you can able to draw it. If you can able to paste it, but don't go outside for Xerox. Don't take Xerox, just do it. Old book, cut and paste. How many you are getting, that paste it. Okay, thank you. Hello children, it is the page 2 of the tattered blanket, page number 4. Let's start. She was a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh Gopi, she said in her grating voice, why this sudden, unexpected visit? Now that mother told to Kamla, see who is at the gate, who came by the car. Now Kamla got up and Kamla saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man coming through the gate because it was dark and Gopi was at the gate. That is why Kamla was not able to see Gopi face. Oh Gopi, she said in grating voice, in surprised voice, why this sudden, unexpected visit? Means without any information, suddenly Gopi visited after a long times. Kamla, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Mother was sitting in veranda and mother asked to Kamla, who is it? At the gate. Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on way back. Gopi, because Kamla asked Gopi, how did you suddenly visited? So Gopi told, I was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram and it was in near my village. So I visited to see Amma and you. Who, Kamla? Who is it? There was a note of alarm of Amma eyes. And now Amma was keep asking to the Kamla ki who is at the gate. And Amma voice was eagerly, looking like eagerly she was asking, because Amma was old and Amma lost his memory because of his old age. She was not remembering. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamla, scared means frightened. Kamla, Gopi's sister, asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for first time. Now Amma, because Amma was keep asking and Gopi was now standing near the Amma, but Amma was asking, that is why sister Kamla told, why are you asking like this? Have you not seen Gopi before? You are seeing Gopi first time. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled means folded skin. In old age, skin gets wrinkled. Cheeks, Amma, it is me. Now Gopi told, came to near, bent down to near the face of her Amma and told ki Amma, it's your son Gopi. Because it was dark, he was thinking Amma's eyes are weak. That's why he was thinking Amma was not able to see in the dark. That is why he bent. Gopi's Kamla, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Now Gopi means Amma is asking. Amma had a before memory only when Gopi was a small boy and he was going to school. Now she is again asking, holidays are started. Amma is open like these days. She does not recognize anybody Gopi's sister explained. And now Gopi's sister told to Gopi कि now Amma's condition is like this only. Amma is not able to identify anyone. But sometime her memory is quite sharp. She told to Gopi, sometime Amma not able to identify, but sometime Amma memory is quite sharp. She can able to identify because of old age. Like this condition was there to Amma. Then she asked me, if you have sent any letter, I tell her every day in is fine with you. Vimla and kids. Kids means children. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a years? Poor things. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy, because Gopi never missing his mother, never remembering his mother, never care his mother. He never writes a letter to his mother. And mother was asking to make her mother happy. Kamla daily telling lies कि letter, Gopi's letter came, she was asking, and Kamla was telling yes, letter came, and all Bimla is the wife of Gopi, and children all are happy and fine. Thank you.